Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So, everyone's going kind of crazy on the internet now with this PB&J remake, retake, whatever you want to call it. Well, I decided to add my own twist to this by making it more decadent and a little healthier. So guys, have you ever heard of AB and P? You're like, what is AB and P? Well, guess what? I never heard of it either before until I decided to say, hey, AB standing for almond butter and P standing for preserves. So you might as well take it a little further and make it a little bit more decadent with some croissant. And because it could kind of be a little, on the waistline here, decide to make it mini croissants. And what would be even more better is by putting it with a nice healthy treat of dark chocolate. Now, let me tell you something. Dark chocolate, say what you want. It may be a little bitter, but it is so healthy for you. It has a lot of iron in it. So if you're someone who's anemic, you can snack on some dark chocolate. Or you have endometriosis, snack on some dark chocolate. Okay? Now listen, I'm not no doctor, but I understand some form of nutrition. So this is good for you.
Here's our vitamin content.
So now, we're going to set this up. It's super simple, like how you would do your PB&J, but we're doing AB and P. Now, almond butter, the only thing with it is that you have to kind of like really mix it around because, the oil is all the way on the top and it can be really kind of thick. So I kind of did that before. So I mixed it around. So we're going to take some almond butter and put on one side here. So I'm just going to do all of it with the almond butter first. Then the other side, I'm just going to put some preserves. Just sitting up here. We're going to drizzle our croissants when they're done with some, listen, this is not sponsored, but I got to tell you, this is some good stuff. This is some dark chocolate, Choc Zero. And it has 0 sugar added to it. And it's really great for people who may be doing the ketogenic diet and they need a little something. If they're having some berries or whatever, they could put this on it. And I've used it for a while. It does not raise up your glycemic index, so it's really good. So Choc Zero they also have like maple flavor and vanilla and strawberry, but the chocolate is yum, yum, yum.
Here are a list of ingredients.
So, okay, I'm going to get some of that preserve up in here. So I'm going to do one, and I'm going to show you, then I'll go and do the others while my pan is getting hot. So here's the game plan. We take some of my chopped chocolate that I have, and I'm putting it right here, right on this almond butter. So you can see what I'm talking about, honey. Look at that, look at that. And we're going to close it up. We're going to put on the skillet so that chocolate can melt. Ooh, honey. So put this right here. Okay, so here we go. Here's our melted chocolate because we have put it in the cast iron skillet. Our melted chocolate with our almond butter and our strawberry preserves. It's nice and warm. We're going to dust it with a little powdered sugar, some fruit, because we got to get it even more healthier, honey. We got to put some fruit next to it and drizzle with some chocolate syrup. Woo, woo, woo. Getting ready to have a party in our mouth. I brought y'all for the ride so I can help me decorate this plate here. Tell me that don't look good, guys. I say so. So now we're going to come to the fun part. We're going to go, ooh, yeah. Baby, yes. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Yes. And, got a little, like some fairy dust. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, Okay, so now if you're that health conscious, don't do no powdered sugar. But honey, it sure looks good. Look at this plate. Look at this plate. Ba-dow. So you got yourself an elevated, little healthier of the classic PB&J, but you're using AB and P. Almond butter and preserve, boo. There you go. Not hard to make. You toast it with some real butter. You put some almond butter. You put some dark chocolate inside on your almond butter, kind of giving you like the little Hershey's, the little, Reese's Pieces kind of thing going on. On the other side, you put some preserve, you close it, you toast it 1 minute on each side till it just gets a little bit of GBD, golden brown and delicious. Put your fruit around. And now let's dig in, honey, and let's taste this classic, this goodness, this revamp. Little messy because the chocolate is melted, but nice and crispy. The outside of the croissant. The sweetness of the preserve is cut down because of the dark chocolate. And what you didn't know is that my dark chocolate also had a little sea salt in it. So, which I taste that. So good. Oh my gosh. Definitely try this. I gotta have a little bit of my health stuff here. Gotta have some strawberries. And blueberries. Take another bite. Yummy. Hands down, this could be your evening snack, the dessert, a brunch, wherever you want to do it, whenever you want to have it. Listen. Here's my call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving me a virtual hug. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you have not hit that bell notification and your subscribe button, please do so. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate your time. I love you guys, and I'm eating for you. Love you. Mwah. Ooh-wee. Look at that. AB P almond butter and preserved, drizzled in chocolate, garnished with some blueberries and strawberries, and so dusting of powdered sugar. But inside, we have the goodness of the almond butter, the strawberry preserves, and some dark chocolate pieces that we melted that had a little sea salt in it. Delish. And I want to show you my 2 books. If you love salads, here's a book for you. If you love salads. And again, a twist on boring salads. So you get to have a variety and make unique salads. And this book here, Loving Every Bite, just came out. They're both available on Amazon.com. And this has everything in here for everyone. Keto, vegetarian, regular eaters. There's something in here for everyone. And you'll truly enjoy loving every bite of this recipes.